There we go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're, what, 4.5 days from the car show. There was a little bit of a change of plan. Ran into some issues with the original 327. It just isn't going to work out. So, let me get you caught up on where we are at right now. There's been a lot of behind the scenes. Right there's the old 327. Did a lot of work. Put a lot of new parts on it. But it just, something wasn't right. And I got to tear it down. I think it's got a weak head gasket or something. I'm going to tear it apart. It'll eventually go back in. But we got something a little bit funner for the show. So, yeah. Excited to show you guys this. We are LS swapping the 68 Impala. LQ960. Ought to be a fun little ride. So, we'll get it fired up and we will do a test drive in this video. So stick around and we'll keep updating you as we get this thing closer to running. Well, guys, looks like she's about ready to hit the road. It's the day of the car show. We're running a little behind, but we're getting there. We got like an extra tire and jack and everything in the trunk. That's why it's sagging.
She's sitting like a lowrider.
Yeah. Brendan, you want to pop the hood and let's show them what we got under here?
Grabbing the wrong thing. Is that not the hood pop?
Up.
It's the next one up. That's it. Ugh.
LQ9 6-liter, carbureted. We literally yanked the 327 out, put the 6-liter in, and had it running in one day. It was all the other little stuff that bit us in the butt.
Yeah, you know, brake lines decided to fail, and it's just little things here and there and everywhere. Nothing ever goes just right, so
it is what it is.
it's a work in progress, but it runs, it drives, and it stops.
And then the gas gauge works even.
You even have a working gas gauge.
Ugh. Some fresh seats and door panels.
Fresher than what it had anyway.
Yeah, they're not perfect, but it's cruisable now. So we're getting ready to hit the road. We'll kind of take you through the little road trip and we'll kind of just go from there.
The old bootlegger.
Oh yeah, the new name. Bootlegger. Welcome her.
Alright guys, here it goes. Maiden voyage, pulling her out on the highway. Say a little prayer for us. We got no seatbelts, we die like real men. Oh yeah, look at all that dust. Yummy.
Oh. That is terrible. Oh dude, we're gonna have to roll this back with
It'll clear out eventually. It's gonna have to happen sooner or later, bud.
It's everywhere.
I told you it was gonna happen. Just like when I took the old Rust Lane to Salina. The old bootlegger. We even got the window sticker. We got the rusted out to burnouts on the YouTube sticker on the back. Heck yeah. All right. budget. That's the big important part right there, guys. But we're cruising right along through the old lovely scenery. Oh yeah. To the road here. She's just a cruising in all her crusty glory. Just a cruising. Just a cruising. Stay tuned for more.
At the old car show. Getting ready to do the cruise night, hopefully here before too long. And it goes way over that way. Been fun, made our rounds. Couldn't video a whole lot. I didn't want to make people mad, but very fun time. Well guys, car show's over. We weren't going to stick around for the cruise. We got a pretty big storm rolling in. We're rolling home. So, kind of just give you a little bit of footage, not a lot. It's starting to get dark, but just having some fun. Enjoying this old beater. She's a little rusty, a little crusty, but very trusty, and I love it.
She's just a cruising down the road, guys.
Woo!
Woo! The old bootlegger.
Well, guys, she made her maiden voyage. About 200 miles today, wouldn't you say, Brendan?
Yeah, about 200 miles.
Not too many issues. Got some alignment issues. To be expected. I never had the car aligned. But I think I want to leave it patinaed. I was talking about restoring it, but I kind of like it in its ugly, ugly glory.
Well, as you can see, we hit a little bit of weather on the ride home. About the last 30 miles. So that wet look actually looks pretty nice on the old patina job.
Yeah, maybe fix the lower quarters. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
A little bit of love.
Little bit of love here and there. So you will be seeing this car. We've still got some plans for it. We got some performance upgrades for the LS. You'll have to stick around and wait to see that. This was a very big budget build. We did it after work for 4.5 nights, and I had a half a day on Sunday and a half a day today before we went to the show because we ran into some brake issues. It happens though.
It happens.
So, but excited that it's actually doing something. So guys, we're going to end with this. And just remember, LS swapped the world. And until next time,
don't forget to do a burnout. Isn't she pretty?
Can't wait to enjoy her some more.
More burn.